Hello everyone, so today I'll be going to Jerry's Antiques to find a chair. Then I'm at C&S Upholstery to find some fabric to use. I ended up settling on this blue and orange combination. This is the chair that I chose. It is a slipper chair from the 1880s. So first off, I'll be removing all the staples and taking off the fabric to assess the patterns and see where I need to attach fabric later on. This is the fabric stripped off of the chair, and I'm able to see just how much this piece is aged from the stuffing choices used. So next up, I will be replacing the stuffing inside with some spare dacron that I had from a previous project and stapling it down using a staple gun. Then the sanding begins. I started with 80 grit and worked up to 400 using my sander, making sure that I fully sand down anything visible. This is the frame of the chair, and I also use some wood filler to fill in the cracks. So the next up, this is the chair that with dacron shoved into the button tufting holes. Next up, I'm using some wax to give this wood some new life. You can really see how much this wood has changed. Then I attach dacron to the front of the panels of this chair, and this is it with the seat pan in place. And also the back of the chair, as you can see that it's now fully waxed and it's breathing new life. So then next I'm stapling the fabric into the seat pan, making sure that I stretch the fabric as I staple. Then I lay out the fabric needed for the front and make some initial staples in the corner, then adding more. This is the front after I gave a little haircut, and then you're going to want to repeat the process on the back of the seat, making sure to stretch the fabric as you staple. So the next step, I'm sewing some welting cord that will be used to cover up the staples used in the front of the chair. I use these pins to put the welting cord in place, starting from the first 4 corners and then working all the way around using these little flower pins from Joann's. So then on the back of the chair, I use these wiggly strips of blue fabric that I also purchased from Joann's, initially hot gluing them, and then I put some pins in it to make sure that it stays in place. Then I'm sewing some more welting and cutting strips of extra blue fabric to use for the fringe to hide the evil that happened while stapling. So then this is me attaching the fringe to the chair, and then this is the final product. This is the front of the chair, and then this is the back of the chair. Thank you so much.